Hey foodies! Are you ready for a snack revolution? Today, we're diving into a super simple, incredibly delicious recipe that's perfect for everyone, especially our vegetarian and health-conscious friends. Get ready to fall in love with hearts of palm. This creamy, dreamy dip is about to become your new go-to. It's packed with flavor, surprisingly easy to make, and a fantastic way to enjoy a plant-based treat. Forget boring snacks, we're bringing the fun. Here's what you'll need for this magic. 1 can of hearts of palm, drained and rinsed. We'll also grab some vegan cream cheese or Greek yogurt for that luscious texture. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens everything up beautifully. Don't forget a clove of garlic for a little zing, and a handful of fresh herbs like dill or chives, a pinch of salt and pepper, and you're practically done. These simple ingredients combine for an unforgettable taste. The process couldn't be easier. Just toss your drained hearts of palm into a food processor. Add the cream cheese or yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, and your chosen fresh herbs. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Now, blend until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. That's it. You've just created a gourmet-level dip in minutes. It's truly that simple to achieve such incredible flavor. This dip is fantastic served chilled with your favorite crackers, crunchy veggie sticks, or even spread on a sandwich. It's a crowd pleaser that's both healthy and utterly satisfying. You absolutely have to try this.